Over 50% of our food gets landfilled.
So Sue Flack looked around Indian River County to see where she could establish a place to make food more accessible to those in need. She found it in Fellsmere, sandwiched between City Hall and the Boys and Girls Club.
They're so special in that they take care of each other, and they have constant food drives and ways to help people. But a lot of these food drives, they have extra food that they don't have anywhere to put. So hence the concept of the community fridge.
The Fellsmere Fridge made its debut last week, a food sharing effort at the neighborhood level.
There's plenty of food out there. It's just the logistics of having a place to store it.
There are protocols as to what can be on the shelves and in the fridge.
The only thing we ask for is if you wouldn't eat it yourself, then don't put it in our fridge.
The first weekend saw an almost empty fridge. It's open 24/7. There are no locks. Flack says there is trust involved.
Food is a commodity and people respect it. And especially within this community, they take pride.
See something you need or want? Leave a note. Flack adds it's just as important for people to give as to take.
Makes us feel good either way.
If you'd like more information on how to volunteer or fill the fridge, just go to our website, WPTV.com. In Fellsmere, John Shingman, WPTV, News Channel 5.